knows he made a bit of a mistake there.
There's nothing, it's the crowd reaction, cannot do anything. It's not the Davis stuff.
Somebody called out there, it's a real shame.
Well, normally you don't play a light for that. Unless you guys agree with it. Normally you don't play a light for that.
I mean, I'm okay with whatever. I definitely said something, so.
No, I would say something, but if you want to play a light, you can play a light. Normally you don't play a light for that, because the crowd...
Yeah, I mean, I definitely said something.
Okay, that's fine.
Well, somebody called out.
And the Roddick has to replay the point.
And a nice gesture from Roddick. It's been quite a lot appreciated, I'm sure, by his opponent. Both players were walking initially. Roddick feeling a little hard done by. Caught the sideline and the service line. So I'm sure Roddick will have a good chance to play with the upside.
But, I mean, what do you don't overrule that damn side of the court. I give a foot back, and that's when you overrule that side of the court. What are you doing?
I'm sorry. I saw the ball out that was the reason I called.
Okay, 100%. It's obviously not 100%. It's not like that.
Okay.
What was that?
Was my mistake, Sandeep. After that, was my mistake. I did a mistake.
Oh, when someone does that, you overrule the far sideline the next point? What's wrong with you?
Sorry.